Hi, my name is Lennie. I go by LCO Drums. I play drums and percussion for over 12 years. I play drums for the Midnight Phoenix, which is a pop rock, alternative rock cover band here in the Sacramento area. I also play drums for the Way Ministry / Grace House worship band in Faros, California, which is a church in Faros, California. I just play a worship band on a drum set. I also do background vocals for the Midnight Phoenix cover band. I totally forgot to mention that. And I also do personal projects on my social media accounts. You can follow me on every single platform at LCO Drums. That's in LCO Drums on all various platforms. I just do personal projects on there. And I play Collision 5A drumsticks, and these are the sticks that I play on here. I play Collision 5A drumsticks, and I also play the Collision brushes for jazzy purposes, like for jazz music and everything. So here's that. And the main reason that I love the Collision drumsticks is because of the comfortness. I love comfort. I just love to be comforted while playing the drums. And I also love the smoothness of the drumsticks. So I just love it how these drumsticks are very smooth. I also love it when it's very durable, and I love it that's durable. And it's kind of sturdy, just a tiny bit. And I also just love the rebound of these drumsticks. So whatever I play on the drums, whenever I hit it, I just love the rebound of it. It then comes right back up as soon as I hit the snare, the toms, the bass, or all the cymbals. I just love the rebound of the drumsticks as well. And with that, I think that's about it. I'm just going to play like a mini drum solo using these sticks and the brushes. So I'll just do like a mini transition from playing the drums with my sticks to playing the drums with the brushes. So I hope you like it.